my friends, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'll be sharing with you 2 digital planners that I'll be using for 2022, plus 5 things that I normally ask before purchasing my perfect planner. So with that said, here are 5 questions I ask myself before choosing a planner. The first question that I normally ask myself is, which layout do I prefer? A landscape or a portrait planner? Landscape planners are more wider in space and there are no interruptions in the middle, such as springs, lines, or whichever. While a portrait planner shows a much narrower planner but still spacious enough for a day-to-day. As I mentioned, it shows off this line in the center to actually get the full notebook experience, even in digital planners. Throughout this video, I'll be sharing with you 2 different planners, the 2022 planner from Petiole and the 2022 Hobo Hybrid from Digi Sparkles. Both links for each planners will be linked below, so please do check them out after this video. The second question that I ask is, do I prefer a dated planner or an undated planner? Undated planners are planners that you can use freely. It's cheaper to buy because you can reuse it every year. Monthlies are given as a blank canvas where you can freely fill in the boxes with its dates and you can be as creative as you can. While dated planners are planners that already indicates the days of the month and it's specifically made for that specific year. Third question is, do I prefer a Monday or a Sunday start? A lot of people are different in this area as well, but I personally like to start my monthlies with a Sunday and my weeklies with a Monday. I normally like my weeks to start with a Monday because I prefer having that specific week in one page. And for my monthlies, I prefer having the Sunday start because I like to see my plans spread out. And since a lot of my plans are during the weekend, I don't like seeing them in just one corner besides Saturday because for some reason it makes me claustrophobic. Now for the second to the last question is, are add-ons important? A lot of planners come with pre-made add-ons like fitness spread, goal spread, etc. And that is something a lot of people like to consider when choosing a planner. Some people get giddy when seeing that their planner has so much add-on spreads that they immediately buy it because it somewhat makes their purchase more reasonable. Pre-made spreads or add-on spreads are very fun to have, especially if you enjoy filling up notes or lists on a daily basis. But the big question is, will it be useful for you in a daily basis? Will you actually look at them when the days or months pass by? And for our final question, consider the type of format that fits you. Do you prefer writing on horizontal weekly spreads or vertical spreads? Or do you just prefer a daily spread? Daily spread dedicates one full spread for that day. I recommend this to creative journalers so they could have a ton of space to write or doodle on. Whilst weekly spreads helps you to visualize a whole week in a glance, perfect to keep track of your tasks for the week. Weekly spreads comes in 2 formats, a vertical and a horizontal format. Horizontal weekly spreads is divided into smaller rows and is usually placed at the left side of the page while leaving a huge space at the right for doodles or other notes. A vertical weekly spread is best for the type of person who schedules in an hourly basis. Vertical weekly spreads are divided in different columns and indicates a time blocking system. And those are the top 5 important considerations that I like to look for when searching for my perfect planner. The design, layout, etc. usually comes after when I check out those boxes. So here are 2 planners that differ in style but has both checked all the boxes on my checklist. They are the Hobo Hybrid planner from Digi Sparkles and the 2022 planner from Petiole. Both who kindly enough gave you, our viewers, a discount code when you plan to purchase from either of them. Both links are listed in the description box below, but before you head on to their links, here is a quick flip through on both planners. Starting off with the 2022 digital planner from Petiole, this is an example of a horizontal planner where you have a wide range of space to write on. This 2022 planner is pretty straightforward, perfect for our minimalistic viewers. It also comes with monthly add-ons such as goals, professional footprint, personal footprint, and many more. It also comes with blank pages that you can customize on your own, and also a variety of papers for you to copy and paste from different spreads. I honestly like the minimalistic vibe with this planner. Straight to the point, and it's super neat to look at. Anyways, starting off with what's inside, we have here first is the year in a glance spread. Again, very simple but very aesthetic to look at. Next we have is the monthly spread, a perfect example for a Sunday start for a monthly. As I mentioned earlier, I always prefer a Sunday start when it comes to my monthly spreads, just because I like seeing my plans spread out in the whole planner. It's designed in a grid paper with a generous space at the top and bottom where you can either decorate or add your personal list on. At its lower side, you'll notice these icons. They are the hyperlinks to the monthly add-on spreads that I mentioned earlier, plus additional add-on spreads like this monthly budget spread. I feel like this specific spread is a definite must-have when it comes to planners. It's definitely an essential for me, and I'm sure a lot of people as well. Next we have is the goal spread. Again, very straightforward, plus I really like the added description she has on these sides. And last we have is the professional and personal footprint tracker. This spread is new to me, but that's also one of the things that I like when buying from different planners. I get to learn new spreads that I can take with me for possibly next year's planner or bullet journal. And finally, we have here is the weekly spread layout. She has here is the horizontal styled layout or format that I've mentioned earlier. It's very spacious, plus you have the hourly numbers at the side where you can time block what has happened on that day. At the sides, we have here more add-on lists like the small calendars that has the days of that specific week highlighted. You also have here priorities, habits, and additional notes, additional space for notes if you have any. You can actually check out her Instagram account for spread designs that she created for some weekly inspos on how you will be able to fill out your planners, or just inspiration on how to fill out these specific planners. So that's pretty much the whole gist, the basic highlights that I wanted you guys to see. I didn't give you the full flip through because I still want you to be surprised and amazed when you do purchase this planner from Petiole. So yeah, don't forget to check out the links in the description box below. Oh, and also, upon purchasing this planner, you'll be given free stickers. They come in a booklet form if you're a GoodNotes app user, and individual sticker PNG if you're using a different planner app. I really love the aesthetic of the stickers that comes with this planner. Definitely plus points from me. I really enjoy the creative freebies that seller adds with their planners. I can definitely see me using this for a very long time. So yeah, definitely go check them out. Again, this is Petiole's 2022 digital planner. It's a very straightforward planner. I really like its simple and aesthetic design. You will definitely be seeing me using this throughout the whole year. Plus, here is a 10% discount code valid for this month for any planners or stickers that you purchase from her website. So make sure to check out the links in the description box below. They're all there, so go check them out after this video. Before that, I have to show you the second planner, which is the Hobo Hybrid Planner from Digi Sparkles. Next planner that we would be looking at is our Hobo Hybrid Planner. This planner is an example of a vertical planner. This design is more fun and funky, very colorful. You've seen me use this planner this year and I'm really in love with its features and designs. So let's check out what's new with this 2022 planner. So upon purchasing a planner, you'll be given a wide range of choices from cover to color and sticker design freebies. You can choose either a Monday or a Sunday start as well. And for myself, I chose the rainbow design and Sunday start just because I already went for the minimal look for last year, so I just wanted to really check out the colorful design that she has for us for this year. So for the sticker freebies, it also comes with a Good Notes format, a PNG format, and an MTP and PDF format. So yeah, definitely very useful for a lot of people who doesn't have the Good Notes app. The 2022 Hobo Hybrid comes with a variety of add-on spreads like the sticker spread, goals, finance, trackers, lists, projects, schedules, and so on and so. I'll be giving you a sneak peek on those in a while, but first let's dive in on the spreads at the right side of this planner. Just like last year's planner, it has its yearly tab that contains its mini calendars, year at a glance, and quarterly spread. First, let's check out the mini calendars. It's designed with colorful text, which I absolutely adore. And another feature that I really enjoy is that all icons you can see here are hyperlinked to everything. And I mean everything. It's very easy to navigate around this planner for sure. And of course, just like last year, here is the year at a glance and the quarterly spread. For its monthly, we also have here is a generous spaced boxes and a free space at its left to add notes or decorations of your choice. Its design is divided into two views, a calendar and a monthly overview, just like last year's. I'm really happy that she didn't change the monthly setup because I really like filling in my monthly calendars and my monthly overviews. So yeah, I'll link the videos that I've created in the description box or in the cards at the upper right. Another feature that the monthly calendar has are the hyperlinks for each weekly spread. Yes, two kinds of weeklies, hence it being a hybrid planner. A little excessive maybe for some people, but very convenient for a lot of people. Vertical spreads offers a time blocking layout. Plus, it also comes with checkboxes at the top and a very generous amount of space for notes at the left side. While the horizontal spread mimics the traveler's notebook layout with additional icons at its side. But not only does this planner offers a vertical and a horizontal layout, it also has a daily spread. With a combination of the design for the horizontal and the vertical spread, at the left side you have the check boxes for to-dos and a time blocking design that fits for the whole day. And also at its side you'll have this generous amount of space to doodle, write down notes, etc. Definitely a very detailed and tedious planner, best if you're the type who likes to write down lots of things on your planners. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the whole right side of this planner. Now, the most awaited for sure are the add-ons, starting off with the goal spread. The goal spread are divided into two sections, the life areas and by time frame. You can indicate here specific goals for each month or separate them into long-term goals. Next are the finance tab. This was my favorite spread from last year since it's very tediously made. I feel like every planner gets plus points if they have this spread, just because I feel that this spread specifically will be useful for everyone. I won't specify exactly what is in this spread, so you can still have that element of surprise when you purchase it. But if that's not the case, then go check out the video above from my full review for last year's planner, because this definitely looked just like the same. Anyways, moving on to trackers and reflections for each month. Definitely a wide range of lists that you can fill in yourselves as well. You have here are the mood tracker, sleep tracker, etc., and an additional tracker for whatever you want, of course. Next, we have our the list, and it's pretty self-explanatory, so let's move on to the next one, which is the project spreads, where you plan out a project that you want to work on this year. This is perfect for me since I can plan out everything here for my small business. That if you haven't followed, check out unaluisa.creates and my Instagram, link below. Self-promo. Next, we have, of course, are the schedules and wellness spread, where you can track your meal preps and fitness goals. And last, and is a new addition to this yearly planner, is the entertainment tab. This is by far my favorite tab because I get to track the books, TV series, and movies that I'll be checking out this year. I really love the additional details for this planner. I feel like it just adds creativity to a very organized planner or lifestyle that you will be creating for this new year. And of course, as I mentioned earlier, in addition of purchasing this planner, you'll also get free sticker booklets in rainbow shade, or a different shade, whichever you choose from the PDF tag or link that they will be sending you when you purchase a planner. And that pretty much completes the whole planner. So if you prefer a colorful, fun, and tedious planner, I'll definitely go for the Hobo Hybrid. Plus, they are giving away a 50% discount code when you purchase this planner, so make sure to check out the links in the description box below to know more about each planner. Anyways, that's pretty much it for today's video. I really hope that I was able to make your lives easier in choosing a planner for the next year. I'm definitely making use of both planners for 2022, so make sure to stick around to see more videos with these planners. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again next time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, stay safe, stay creative, stay you. Virtual hugs and kisses. Bye, friends!